Do you ever feel scared to speak English? Do you ever think to yourself,
My English is just not good enough?
what if I told you there is a simple tool, a tool that can help you practice English every single day?
And the best part, you can use it at home, alone, with no pressure, no stress.
Today, we are going to talk about ChatGPT, and we're going to learn English together through AI.
Stay with us. This episode could change the way you learn English forever.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Fluent Podcast. I am Mary.
And I am John. We are so happy you're here with us today.
This podcast is for you. If you are learning English, this is your place. You belong here.
And today, we have a very exciting topic.
Yes, today we are talking about ChatGPT. It is an AI tool, and it can help you learn English faster than you think.
We will have a simple conversation, we will tell you a story, we will teach you new words, and we will practice speaking English together.
So make yourself comfortable. Get a cup of coffee or maybe some tea, and let's learn English together.
Let's go.
Okay, John, let's start simple. What is ChatGPT?
Great question, Mary. ChatGPT is a computer program. It is made by a company called OpenAI.
OpenAI. That is the name of the company.
Yes, and ChatGPT, it can actually talk to you like a real person, but it's not a person. It's AI.
AI. What does AI mean, John?
AI means artificial intelligence. Now, the word artificial means not real, not human. It's made by a computer.
Okay, so AI is basically a very smart computer program.
Exactly. And ChatGPT is very smart. You can ask it questions. You can have a full conversation with it. You can even ask it to help you write something.
Can I ask it in English?
Yes, absolutely. You can ask it in English, and it will answer you in English.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
It really is amazing. And for English learners, it's like having a free English teacher available 24 hours a day.
24 hours a day. That means all day, every single day.
Exactly. You don't need to wait for class. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You can just open ChatGPT and start talking.
I love that. So, how do people use ChatGPT to learn English?
There are many ways. Let me give you some examples.
Yes, please. I want to hear this.
Okay, first example. You can ask ChatGPT to correct your English. You write a sentence, and then you say, "Is this correct English?"
Oh, that is so helpful.
Yes, ChatGPT will tell you if the sentence is correct, and if something is wrong, it will show you the right way to say it.
No judgment, no embarrassment.
Exactly. ChatGPT never laughs at you. It never makes you feel bad. It just helps.
That is so important. So many people are afraid to speak English because they're scared of making mistakes.
I know, and that fear is very normal. But with ChatGPT, there is no fear. You can make mistakes, and you will learn from them.
Okay, what is another way to use ChatGPT for English?
Second example, you can have a conversation, just like the conversation we're having right now.
Really?
Yes, you type something to ChatGPT, it types back, you keep talking, back and forth, just like a real conversation.
That's great practice.
It really is, because the more you practice, the more confident you become.
Confident. That's a really good word. Confident means you feel good about yourself. You feel strong.
Yes, and here's another great tip. You can ask ChatGPT to use simple English. Just say, "Please use simple English," and it will.
Oh, I love that tip.
Yes, you're in control. ChatGPT listens to you.
I really like that. But what about pronunciation? Can ChatGPT help with speaking?
ChatGPT is mostly text, but here's what you can do. You copy what it writes, and then you practice saying it out loud.
So you read it first, then you say it out loud.
Exactly. That's a great way to practice your speaking. Read the sentence, Then say it.
Simple and very effective.
And one more thing, you can ask ChatGPT for example sentences. Just say, give me 5 sentences using the word practice, and it will give you 5 sentences. Just like that.
That's like having a personal English tutor.
Yes, a personal English tutor right there in your phone for free.
I think our listeners are already excited right now.
I hope so, because ChatGPT is a really powerful tool, and it's very easy to use.
Okay, one more thing. Is ChatGPT only for young people, or can anyone use it?
Anyone can use it. Young people, older people, working adults, students, everyone.
That is wonderful. So even if you are 50 years old and just starting to learn English, you can still use ChatGPT?
Absolutely. Age doesn't matter. Language doesn't matter. ChatGPT works in many languages, but you can practice English with it every single day.
Every day. That's the key. A little practice every day.
Small steps, big results.
Okay, John, I want to share a story with you. A real story about someone who used ChatGPT to improve their English.
I love stories. Please, tell us.
This is the story of a woman named Sophia. Sophia is from Mexico. She came to the United States 3 years ago.
3 years ago. Okay.
Sophia came here with her husband and her 2 children. She wanted a better life, a better future for her family.
That is a beautiful reason.
Yes, but when she arrived in the United States, she felt scared. She didn't speak much English, and everything was new. The supermarket, the doctor's office, the school meetings.
That sounds very hard.
It was very hard. She told me, Mary, I felt invisible. I couldn't speak. I couldn't understand people. I felt so alone.
Oh, that's heartbreaking.
Yes, but Sophia, she didn't give up. She wanted so much to learn English, but she couldn't go to school every day. She had 2 young children at home. She had to take care of them.
So she needed something flexible.
Exactly. Flexible means something that works with your schedule, something you can do at home, in your own time.
So what did Sophia do?
Sophia, one day, her daughter showed her ChatGPT. Her daughter said, Mama, try this. You can talk to it in English.
Oh, how sweet.
Sophia was nervous at first. She thought, I don't know enough English. I'm going to make mistakes.
But she tried anyway.
She tried anyway. She typed her very first message in English. She wrote, Hello, I'm learning English. Please help me.
Simple and honest.
And ChatGPT answered her, very kindly, very clearly. It said, Hello, Sophia. I'm so happy to help you learn English. What would you like to practice today?
Oh, wow. That's so welcoming.
And Sophia felt something different in that moment. She felt safe. She felt like she could make mistakes and nobody would judge her.
That feeling is so important for anyone learning a new language.
Sophia, every day after she put her children to sleep, she sat at the kitchen table with her phone and she talked to ChatGPT.
Every night.
Every night. And after 6 months, something changed.
What changed?
Sophia went to a parent meeting at her children's school, and for the first time, she raised her hand and she spoke in English, in front of everyone.
Oh my goodness.
She said, My son is very happy at this school. Thank you for teaching him.
Simple words, but so powerful.
And after the meeting, another mother walked up to her, an American mother, and she said, Your English is really good. Are you from here?
Sophia must have felt so proud.
She told me later, she cried in her car. Happy tears.
Happy tears. I love that.
Because she had worked so hard, quietly, at night, at the kitchen table, with a little phone and a lot of courage.
Sophia's story is truly inspiring.
And the beautiful thing is, Sophia is not special. And I mean that in the very best way. She is a normal person with a normal life who used a simple tool and practiced every day.
That's the real lesson. The tool is free, but the work, you have to do the work.
And Sophia did the work. And today, she uses English at work. She helps her children with their homework. She speaks English at the supermarket, at the doctor's office, everywhere.
From invisible to confident.
From invisible to confident. I love that so much.
Thank you for sharing that story, Mary. I think so many of our listeners see themselves in Sophia.
I hope so, because if Sophia can do it, you can do it too.
Okay, now it's time for our vocabulary section. These are important words from today's episode.
Listen carefully. We will say the word, we will explain it simply, and we will give you an example sentence.
Ready? Let's go.
Word number 1.
Now it is time to speak. This is my favorite part of every episode.
Listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat after me. Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready? Let's practice together.
I use ChatGPT to learn English. Say it again. I use ChatGPT to learn English.
Beautiful. Next one.
ChatGPT helps me practice speaking. One more time. ChatGPT helps me practice speaking.
Very good. Keep going.
I write a prompt for ChatGPT. Again, I write a prompt for ChatGPT.
Excellent. You are doing so great.
I practice English every day. Repeat. I practice English every day.
I love your energy. Next sentence.
I am improving my English. Say it with confidence. I am improving my English.
Yes. And that is true. You really are improving.
I feel more confident every day. Again, I feel more confident every day.
That is wonderful. A few more. You are almost there.
AI is a useful tool for learning. Repeat. AI is a useful tool for learning.
Great job.
I can practice English at home. One more time. I can practice English at home.
You are speaking English right now. Do you feel that?
My English is getting better. Say it. My English is getting better.
Yes, it really is getting better. I promise you that.
Last one. Are you ready?
I am not afraid to speak English. Say it loud this time. I am not afraid to speak English.
Wow, you just spoke 10 English sentences. That is truly amazing.
Now we are going to do shadowing practice. This means you listen and then you copy the way I speak. The speed, the rhythm, the feeling.
Speak slowly, just like Mary. Ready?
Hello, my name is, and I am learning English. I use ChatGPT to practice English every day. I write a message and ChatGPT answers me. I am getting better little by little. I am not perfect, but I am learning. Every day, I practice and I improve. I feel more confident when I speak English. I can do this. My English is getting better.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You just did shadowing practice. That is a real professional English learning technique.
Native speakers use that technique too. You are learning like a pro. Before we finish today, I want to say something important, just to you.
Please listen carefully.
Learning a new language is one of the hardest things a person can do. It takes courage, it takes patience, it takes time.
And you are doing it.
Every day you listen to this podcast, you are choosing to grow, to improve, to become a better version of yourself.
That is not easy. That takes real strength.
Maybe you made mistakes today. That's okay. Mistakes mean you are trying, and trying is everything.
Do not compare yourself to native speakers. Compare yourself to who you were last week, last month.
Are you better? Even just a little bit?
Then you are winning.
Sophia practiced at a kitchen table at midnight with 2 sleeping children in the next room, and she changed her life.
You can change your life too.
Keep going. We believe in you.
We really do.
Okay, everyone. That's all for today's episode of Mr. Fluent Podcast.
Today, we talked about ChatGPT. We learned what AI is. We heard Sophia's story. We practiced 10 new words, and we spoke English together.
You did so much today. Please be proud of yourself.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent Podcast. Leave us a comment. Tell us your story.
And share this podcast with a friend who is also learning English. Help them too.
We will be back very soon with more simple, warm, and helpful English practice.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your English is getting better every single day. I'm Mary.
And I'm John.
Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Fluent Podcast. See you next time.